Hello and welcome to SciJoy. Today we're going to show you how to download the software you're going to be using for programming your Lego robot and just give you a quick overview of what that software looks like. So we'll put a link to this website in the description below, and this is where you're going to go and download the free version of the software. You just click on this little link right here and you can either download it for your PC or your Mac. And there's some system requirements they show you below. If you wanted to, you could take a quick peek at how to learn to program. This is one that they have done, but we're going to go through all the different sensors and motors and all that kind of stuff. If you go back to the original page and scroll down, we are going to have this gyro sensor right here, and it's not standard in the EV3 robot package thing, so we are going to have to download it. So you just click over here, gyro sensor, and it's going to download, and I will show you how to import this into your Lego Mindstorm software. So after you download the software and go through the typical installation process, you're going to find where EV3 software is on your computer. You open it up, this is what it's going to look like. The speakers aren't on my computer right now, but the robots are making noises. That's typical. Don't let it scare you when you open it up. There's a plus sign over here, and you can add projects, and this is how we're going to program. So you click on the little plus, and it's going to take you into your project pane, and then you can add little programs underneath as like subroutines for your project. And the first thing I always come over and do is close content editor, so we have some more space. So this is your play button. This is going to run your program. If you don't have an EV3, if you click it, nothing's going to happen. It's what downloads it and runs it on the robot. Green tab has all your outputs. So it has all your motors, has your sound blocks that you can make different sounds with, and the displays you can put on your Lego brick. And then if you go over to the orange one, these are all your logic or flow control. So this is a wait, a loop, a switch, and we'll go into what each of those means. The yellow one are your sensors. You can see I've already downloaded the gyro sensor, but if you go up to tools and then you go down to block import, it's going to come up with this little dialog box right here. In your download section, you can scroll down until you find your gyro, and then you can click open, and then you just hit import. And then your gyro block is going to show up down here. And then the red section is where you do math kind of things. And then this one is more of advanced, they call it. There's a lot of different things that you can do in here, including raw sensor values, storing things to files. We might not use too much in this red and blue one. Mostly we're going to hang out over here. We're going to be controlling some motors. We're going to control how the robot thinks through different logic, and we're going to use sensors to figure out what the world around the robot looks like, so it can figure out where it wants to go. Thank you for watching this episode of SciJoy. We are going to get more into programming very, very soon. Our next episode that's going to come out, we're going to show you the actual physical robot, the different parts of the robot, and we're going to take you on a little tour of the course. After that, we're going to teach you how to manipulate the motor blocks and have your robot actually move where you want it to, and how to use the sensors to view the world around you and how to program them. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. You can also talk to us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and now Reddit. And remember, keep exploring.